Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me properly? Please let me know. Okay. So welcome back to your biology practical class. As you know that almost we have completed all the practicals from our syllabus. Only one practical is left. Today we will complete this one. So what is the heading of this practical? Mitosis in onion root tip cells and animal cells, grasshopper from permanent slides. This will come under the group B, that is study or observe the following or spotting part. Okay, so you have to know about the different stages of mitosis and you have to identify them. Okay, so I am repeating what is the heading of the practical, and this is our last practical from our device syllabus. So mitosis in onion root tip cells and animal cells, grasshopper from permanent slides. So for that, what we have to know? We have to know about the different stages of the mitosis. We have to check it under the microscope. We have to identify which stage it is, and we have to write down the characteristic feature of this particular stage. Okay, this is all about this practical. So for that, you have to keep a clear idea about the different stages of mitosis. So before that, first you have to know what is mitosis, what is meiosis, what are the different type of cell division, and what are the different features of them. So as you know that all cells can be produced from the pre-existing cells by the cell division, right? And cell can divide by two ways. One is mitosis and another one is meiosis. Okay, so in this body cells or autosome or somatic cells, mitosis type of cell division can be found. But in the reproductive cells or germ cells, meiosis type of cell divisions can be found. Okay, why? Because if, as you know that the chromosome number of any living individual is same, so in case of human also we need to maintain the chromosome number. So at the time of fertilization, what will happen? Fusion of the male and female gamete will take place. Now if male gamete bears 2n number of chromosome and female gamete bears 2n number of chromosomes, so at the time of fertilization or the fusion, it will form 4n number of chromosome, which is not possible, right? So as you know that we have to maintain the 2n number of chromosome. That is why at the time of gamete formation, meiosis type of cell division takes place, and meiosis type of cell division is considered as reductional division. Chromosome number will get half, and as we will be able to maintain the our chromosome number, n number of chromosome will be in the male gamete and n in the female gamete. So after the fusion of the male and female gametes, we will get this condition, and the chromosome number of human body will be maintained, right? And as you know, this n, 2n, that is diploid and haploid. 2n means diploid. When it consists of two complete sets of chromosome, it is considered as diploid, and when only one complete set of chromosome is present, then it is called as n or haploid. Okay, so that this diploid condition can be found in the body cells or autosomes or somatic cells, and it is n or haploid conditions can be found in the gametes. Okay, so now our focus is on the mitosis. Okay, so because we have in our syllabus we are having mitosis type of cell division. Now in the type of mitosis, each cell division occurs only two stages. What are they? Not stages, that means two phases we can say, or two events. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. First one is karyokinesis. As you know that karyon means nucleus, so karyokinesis means division of the nucleus, and cytokinesis means division of the cytoplasm. In the karyokinesis, in the mitotic type of cell division, in the karyokinesis event, there are some phases. What are these? First one is prophase, second one metaphase, third one anaphase, and the fourth one is telophase. So what we will get in the prophase? In the prophase stage, appearance of the chromosome will take place. In the metaphase stage, spindle formation will take place and arrangement of the chromosome will be there. In the anaphase stage, the movement of the chromosome towards the pole will take place, and in the telophase stage, formation of the daughter nuclei will be there. So these are the different identifying features of these four phases. Next one is cytokinesis, that means division of the cytoplasm will take place, and after the cytokinesis two daughter cells will be formed. So what was our aim? From a single cell we need two cells, need to form two cells. So by this type of cell division, from a single cell we will get two cells and their chromosome number will be same. And this is the main criteria of the mitotic type of cell division. That is why it is considered as equatorial or equational division. Okay, so if we start with the 2n number of chromosome, then after the division, that means add into the two daughter nuclei we will get the same number of chromosome. If we start with the n number of chromosome, after the n of the division we will get 2n number of chromosome cell. Okay, so in the chromosome of this, as you know, why we are studying in the onion root tip, because in the root tips meristematic cells are present, and here it is the most suitable material for studying the mitosis. Okay, and as you know that anthers are more suitable for studying the meiosis. So that is why we in our syllabus it is written mitosis in onion root tip, so that we can get a clear idea about the all stages of the mitosis. Okay, now what we will write in the objective? First we will write that to study the various stages of mitosis in onion root tip cell from the permanent slide. This is our object or aim. Now what are the different requirements? First one is permanent slide. So microscope, onion root tip cell, record file, pencil, eraser, sharpener, laboratory notebook or practical book. Right, these are the different requirements. So now next one is procedure. First step of this procedure is you have to place the permanent slide under the microscope, then you have to focus it under the low power of microscope, then you have to focus it under the high power of microscope, and you have to adjust it, and then you have to examine the different stages of the mitosis. This is the procedure. Next one is observation. So first under the low power of microscope, some rectangular cells with pink nucleus will be seen, which are in scattered condition, and under the high power of microscope different stages will be distinct. Okay, so what are the different stages? As you can see, I have drawn on the board. So now first stage you will get, that is interphase. First stage of mitosis, that is interphase. It is a non-dividing cell and it is the stage between the two successive cell division. Okay, it is the stage between the two successive cell division, and as you know that in the interphase chromatin fibers can be found, and it is a network like, it is forming a network like structure within the nucleus and the nuclear membrane and the nucleolus. So this one is the chromatin fiber, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, all are distinct in structure. You can find out them very easily. Now come to the next stage, that is prophase. So here I have drawn two stages. This is one is the early prophase and this one is the late prophase. Okay, so what happens at the prophase stage? First, chromatin material shortens and condenses into a thread-like structure which is called as chromosome. So here you can see the structure of chromosome. Okay, and this is the two arms of the chromosome, and these are called as chromatid. And inside that there is a rounded structure, it is called a centromere, and these are called as chromatids, and this is a chromosomal structure, right? So now you can see that each chromosome consists of two chromatids and a centromere point called inside, which is called a centromere. And nucleus membrane, in the early prophase the nuclear membrane and nucleolus will start to disappear, but at the end of the prophase it will disappear. So you can see that at the end of the prophase there is no nucleus and there is disappearance of the nuclear membrane. Okay, now come to the next phase, that is metaphase. Metaphase is an important phase of the mitosis cell division. So what we will get, a bipolar spindle develops in the cell and the chromosome. So you can see that the spindle has developed in the two different poles. That is why I have mentioned that bipolar spindle develops in the cell, and chromosome become more thick, and the two chromosomes will be more clear. Okay, and the main Identifying criteria of this particular phase is this chromosome will be arranged at the equator. So you can see all the chromosomes are arranged at the equator, equatorial plate or equatorial plane. Okay, this plane is called as equatorial plane. So chromosome will be arranged at the equator of the spindle. Okay, and as you can see that chromosomes are attached with the spindle, right, attached with the spindle. Now come to the next phase, that is anaphase. So two sister chromatids. Now here you can see that we have used two terms, sister chromatids, non-sister chromatids. So what is the meaning of sister chromatids? If two chromatids of a single chromosome is, these two are sister chromatids, but if we consider it with another chromosome, that means the relation between this arm and this arm is considered as non-sister chromatids. Okay, so two chromatids of a single chromosome is considered as sister chromatids, and two chromatids of two different chromosomes, these are considered as non-sister chromatids. So in the anaphase stage, what will happen? The separation of the sister chromatids will take place. You can see they are moving towards the pole. Separation is taking place and they are moving towards the pole. So the two sister chromatids of each chromosome separates from the centromere and they are moving towards the opposite pole, and the daughter chromosome will appear with different shapes like V shape, J shape, L shapes, I shape, depending on the position of the centromere. Means what is the when they are separating towards the two different poles, what is the position of the centromere? According to that, we will get different types of shapes of the different chromosomes. Okay, now come to the last stage, that is the telophase stage. In the telophase stage, the spindle will disappear. You can see that spindles are not here, so spindle disappear. The chromosome uncoil to form the chromatin fiber. Again it is coming back to this type of cell. So chromosome uncoil to form this type of chromatin fiber, and reappearance of the nucleus and nuclear membrane is there. You can see on the board the reappearance of the nucleus and nuclear membrane at the two opposite poles, right? And after that, cytokinesis will take place. As I was discussing the onion root tip cell, as you know that this is the plant cell, so there are differences between the plant and animal. In the plant cell we will get the cell wall. So in this cytokinesis there will be differences in plants and animals. In plants, a cell plate formation will take place like this, and I have mentioned that how this cell plate will be formed in the theory class, because this cell division is already in your theory part, and I have given a detailed idea about the cell plate formation and different all the stages of the mitosis and meiosis. So I think this is the revision, just a revision, because already you have read in the theory part. So cell plate will be formed, which will ultimately form the cell wall, right? So this is the first one, and the second one was to study the various stages of mitosis in animal cells, grasshopper, from permanent slides. Again the requirements will be the same, but only the previous one was the permanent slides or from the onion root tip cell, and this one is permanent slides of the mitosis in animal cells, particularly in grasshopper. Procedure is same, observation is also same, but a slight differences will be there. One was the formation of the cell plate, and second one is the, you can see that I have drawn it on the board, that interphase stage is same, and at the time of prophase they are having centriole. So the centriole will centriole pair replicate to form two pairs of centriole which migrate towards the pole. So the centriole pair, after the prophase, the centriole pair will replicate and they will migrate to the two poles. So here you can see I have drawn it on the board. So the same criteria will be in the prophase stage of the grasshopper, mitosis in the grasshopper, but with that addition criteria is that in this case centriole pair will replicate to form two pairs of centrioles which migrate towards the opposite poles. Ma'am, please. Ma'am. So centriole pair replicate to form two different centrioles which will migrate towards the two opposite poles, right? And other criteria all are same. Now come to the, you can see that I have drawn that centriole, right? So these two are the two differences with this animal cell and plant cell. So now let me show you the diagrams from the book. So here you will be able to find this one is from animal cell, stages of mitosis in animal cell, and this one is stages of mitosis in plant cell. Clear? So you have to draw all the diagrams on the left white page, and you have to write down the objective, aim, requirements, procedure, observation on the right side of the page. Okay? So be careful while you are writing these these different stages of the mitosis. So you have to mention the differences between them. Okay? Last one is precaution. What precautions you should take while performing this practical? First one is you have to use the fine adjustment knob of the microscope while focusing the slide under high power, and objective lens should not touch the slide. So as you know that microscope is very delicate, so you have to handle it with very care. Okay, you have to be careful about the lenses of the microscope. So this is all about our last practical, that is mitosis in onion root tip cells and animal cells from permanent slides. Okay. So with that we are completing our syllabus, which is our revised, according to our revised syllabus, except the under the group A practical number 4 we have completed all the practicals, and I have said the calculation and the images in the assignment of my e-portal. Please check it, you will get the idea, or you will get the microscopic view from the picture. Okay, only two parts left. I will send this mitosis one very soon. Okay, so for today that's it. Everyone start writing. I will provide you a submission date very soon. You have to submit your practical copies on that day. Okay, so thank you and bye bye everyone.